Some value types accept numbers without any units added to them. For example, line height. In CSS, the line height property is used to specify the amount of space above and below a block of text. This space normally will help the text be more legible and easier to read. Now, the line height property can be specified using a number, a percentage, or the keyword normal. When a number is used, it represents a multiple of the font size. So, let me give an example. If a font size of 20 pixels is used and a line height of 1.5 is specified, that means the space above and below each line of text will be 30 pixels. That is because 1.5 times 20 pixels is 30 pixels. Our code has a paragraph with a line height of 1.5. To figure out what that will result in, we check out the font size. Now, because the font size is 20 pixels, the resulting line height is 30 pixels. To prove that it is 30 pixels, we can replace the 1.5 value with 30 pixels, a fixed value of 30 pixels. You will see that even though we change the value to 30 pixels, there is no change in the line height because it is the same thing. That is because when it was 1.5, the calculated value was still 30 pixels. Now, if we change the number to 2, we can see the change in line height because the resulting line height is now 40 pixels. Of course, you know how we got to that. 2 times 20 pixels. The same thing will apply if we change it to 4, because now the line height will be 80 pixels. Now we can change it back to 30 pixels so that it is back to normal, just like in the beginning. So this is an example of value type that accepts numbers. And you would see this often in CSS. It's important to know what the number represents and how the eventual value is calculated.